Alright, welcome back again. We're at Bairstow's Basics. This time around we're going to do light and fluffy pancakes with caramelised orange. So what you're going to need for that is 300 grams of flour. That's bullshit, it's not 300 flour.
No, it's one, you told me 180.
So you're going to need 180 grams of flour, some baking powder, 300 grams of milk, some oil, a couple of eggs, a couple of oranges, some sugar, some vanilla, or any spices that you want to add to the pancake mix. First up, let's crack the eggs. So separate the eggs, add the egg yolks to the flour.
What if you're doing a mapo tofu pancake, Jock?
Oh my goodness, that's going a bit rogue there, Ben. What is mapo tofu?
Mapo tofu is a Szechuan dish, which is a lot of chilies, Szechuan peppers, tofu and beef. We had it last night for dinner, so I've got leftovers. So I'm thinking about making like a Korean style pancake is like with spring onions and potatoes and stuff. So I think I might use the mapo tofu in that.
I'll just be following you, Jocky.
Well, somebody asked it.
Add the egg whites.
No, add the egg yolks to the flour. Add 2 tablespoons of baking powder to the flour.
Is that cheating, baking powder?
No, but we're also going to be adding egg whites, so it's like light. We're trying to get as fluffy as possible pancakes. And then to the flour, egg, and baking powder, add milk or buttermilk, whatever you have, plus the oil. Whisk all of that together. So that's going to form the base of the batter. I'm also going to add a bit of vanilla. Where are you?
Get my butter. How much butter?
What's the no? The milk or buttermilk?
I've got some vanilla extract.
Is it time for the other segment, which is Bairstow's Spice Rack?
Ooh, yeah. What spices do you want? We have a plethora. I've got some chili, chili flakes, onion flakes, basil, turmeric, thyme, rosemary.
Well, orange and thyme would be nice.
Let's go time.
Right, so mix that in, and then clean your whisk, because you're going to need that now. Clean your whisk. Also, at the same time while you clean your whisk, get your pan on. So you get your pan onto like a medium hot heat. So we've got a non-stick frying pan.
I'll only take 2 minutes to whisk up because I've got an electric one.
Whoa!
Start whisking up your egg whites. And to your egg whites, add your 2 tablespoons of sugar.
Okay, go. This is an easy one for me. I'm more of a viewer at this point. I'm just enjoying watching Jocky whisking Johnny's electric whisk. It's like a competition. It's like a race. Usain Bolt racing egg whites and sugar. It's a sensational viewing.
Pretty thick, that.
Is that your egg white in there, John?
No.
Have you whisked that yet?
Oh no, yeah. Whisk your egg white. I thought you were whisking egg. No.
What is that?
That was egg white going into the mixed mix. So mix the other stuff together and then mix your egg white with the sugar. Just pour them egg whites out if you can.
What's that?
Yeah, so Johnny, you want to whisk your egg whites so it's nice and white and fluffy with your sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar.
No. Fucking hell. Bollocks.
Have you got them out?
No.
What have you done?
We're recording, Becky. Shut up.
And with those egg whites, then you mix it into your flour mix.
I like that pan you got there, Jock. That's a nice looking crack pan.
Just the
Like
clips.
that. Yeah, I put some vanilla in and I put thyme in.
So in your pan, just put a little bit of oil, just a little touch. You shouldn't need too much, depends on how non-stick your pan is, really. There's a little bit of oil. And then, I don't know if you've got a large spoon or a ladle. I'm going to be using a smallish size ladle.
Yeah, got a ladle.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, so pan, medium hot, a little bit of oil, and then we put a ladle full of pancake mix into the pan. Just sizzle a little bit. You don't want it to be like really high temperature. See, it's just bubbling a little bit away. The technique here is we're going to cook the pancake. We'll get a little bit of colour on the pancake, and then we're going to add some water and put a lid on top. So it's going to kind of steam and make it nice and fluffy. So I've got a lid that's going to fit over the top. Once I've got a little bit of colour on the pancakes, it's like kind of golden brown. I'm using a fish slice as well. And I put like a tablespoon, roughly about a tablespoon of water in the pan and put the lid over the top. And that way, it will steam the pancake and make it nice and fluffy. You see that? And then you cook the pancake and then flip it over.
Whoa, look at that.
And then we'll cook the other side. So nice and golden brown, so it's nice and fluffy, and then we'll stack it up on our plate next to us. And as we're cooking these pancakes, we'll then start preparing the oranges. Beauty. What's in there, Ben?
Mapo tofu, same ratios of stuff for the batter. And of course I've got some wild garlic to go on top.
So I'm going to do about 3 pancakes. So Johnny, another top tip, when you're taking the pancake out of the pan on the final cook, just turn it over so it cools. Otherwise, you're just going to overcook the pancake. So all the steam kind of rises from the pancake. Look at that.
Good.
Beauty.
That looks really got tangerines, mandarins, or satsumas?
Mandarins.
Oof. Tangerines called tangerines because they're from Tangiers, African.
Right, oranges, yeah?
I've overloaded the pan a bit on this one.
So you get another frying pan on the heat as well. So we get another frying pan to heat up, or you could still use your pancake pan if you've got your pancake pan available as well. Next, we're going to peel the oranges. We're just going to do that with a knife. So take the top and the bottom of the orange off, and then with your knife, you're just going to go around the outside of the orange. So we're just taking off the outside pith and bit of zest. So it looks like this. You're just going to follow the line of the pith around the orange.
Does it end up looking like that?
Or you could just peel. You could just peel the hat as much. So once you've got it peeled, Johnny, like you have, then you're going to slice it. Okay, so slice it so it's like, I don't know, about that thick.
Jockey, would it work if you just do it into segments?
Yeah, absolutely it will. Jockey's just showing off, see, with his knife skills, because it's the first time he's had a knife in his hand for about 15 years.
Hey, I'll tell you what is a great knife, Ben.
What is it? Oh, watch your fingers. It's one of the knives. There you go.
Oh my goodness, that is a good knife you got there, Johnny. The next exciting part, you need a pan on the heat, you need some butter, some sugar, and some alcohol. High percentage alcohol. I've got dark rum. This is a danger part, so you have to be prepared. So just make sure you got your last pancake done. Once your pancakes are done, just get them stacked up onto another plate. So if you've got a dry frying pan or a dry pan on the heat, a tablespoon of sugar to that. Add that to the pan. Maybe 2 tablespoons I'm going to do. That's going to be your sauce as well. The sauce is going to start caramelizing. Just spread that sugar out on the pan. When it comes to the colour, we're going to add a little bit of butter to that. You see it's starting to melt? Have you got you don't have flame there, do you? Do you have like a blowtorch or a lighter?
Oh yeah, just carry on around with me all the time.
Yes.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, so it's starting to smoke a little bit. I don't know if you can see it. We're going to add a little bit of butter to that. Then we're going to add the orange slices to this. To see the caramel sugar. I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, I can see it, yeah.
He's got the smoke in his eyes. Definitely see it.
Add the oranges. Just get them on the pan. Get the heat up really high now. So we're going to caramelize those oranges beautifully. See, that's all nice caramelizing. Get it at a high heat. Are you ready for this bit, Johnny? I hope we get flames. So you got the caramelization of the oranges, and then we add the alcohol.
Yeah.
Whoa!
I don't really want to burn my house down, to be honest.
Just do it a wee bit. Don't do too much. It's not going to do that.
And then, with those oranges, I'm just going to put over the pancakes. Caramelized orange sauce and your pancakes. I'm going to finish that with a little bit of grated zest over the top.
My pancakes, and then I'm going to put a little bit of chili oil all over the top, some peanuts, and some wild garlic.
Look at that. That looks amazing. What's that on top? Wild garlic.
Wild garlic and peanuts. I can't wait for the return leg of this, which will be Jocky playing cricket.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you know, actually, I won a cricket match one time. I did cheat. How is that, John? Is that really dark, or is that my screen?
Yeah.
It's a proper caramelised orange.
Fresh bits of mandarin just round it. So you got the hot and cold.
Garnish as well. Garnish.
I'm just going for the hot and cold.
Perfect.
Smells nice. There we
Johnny,
go.
I like it. I like your presentation.
Look at that. Right, there you go, gents.
Mine's caramelised orange, fluffy pancakes.
And mine is caramelised mandarin with some fresh mandarin pancakes.
Perfect.
And thyme.
Oh, yeah, a bit of time, yeah.
That was Bairstow's Basics. See you next week.